Get a bite.
Take a bite.
Yummy. She took half of it, propped it upright, and then started taking a bite.
You know, you have hands, honey. Yeah, you can use your hands. Oh my word.
You say yummy? You having trouble getting to it? She's got one little crumb. She's trying to get off the table.
That's a weird baby.
Yeah.
I told her, I said, you got hands that you can eat that with. Watch your head, Mom. Okay. So she picked her hands up and showed me her hands. Well, yeah. And then you've got, yeah, just whatever you do, don't. There we go. Okay.
Is that yummy? Kara?
That's pretty.
Now, so did I come for her?